This is the screw that was found in my tyre. This is my son drilling a hole in the tyre to make the hole bigger. And then you can see he's fiddling around with something there. Well, this is the tool he's going to use. You can see where he places a piece of rubber into it. He's doing it now. Threads it through like a needle. Then he forces that into the tyre. First of all, you've got to make it big enough so that the tool placed in with the rubber can seal the hole. So he's doing the whole job, pulling it out. Not yet.
Someone's got to blow out.
Now he's blowing it out.
Yeah, wait.
And if you can, you'll be able to hear the hissing of the tyre.
Not coming out quick enough. You're going to have to edit
Too
it.
many kids have placed.
No, I can start again. Well, no, just film that first bit and then film the second bit.
I saw somebody doing it as a kid.
Behind
a bus stop, placing a nail in the road, running back again. Little kids playing games. Little girl it was. 10 or 11.
Might need to do this a bit more, won't we?
Oh, how funny. Yeah. We're in a 40-pound tyre. Right, well, he's making that hole a bit bigger. I don't think it's going to go through. He places that in. It's big enough now.
Stop squeezing. Push it all the way in.
Goes one way through.
Pull it out.
Way in.
Can't push it in, I ain't got strength in my hand.
Come in, eh? You hold that.
Get your left hand.
Has it got to go all the way in?
Sort of. Bit tight, isn't it? Just to the lip goes in, and then when you pull it out, it should pull itself out. Right, let go.
Say again. Is it in? I don't know what.
Let's swap.
No.
There you go, pull it out.
Now?
Yeah.
Sure that just one end sticks out.
Quick. Quick.
Sort of.
I can't get it out.
Hold that then.
Oh, God.
It's coming then. There you go.
Is that it? Yay. And what do you do now? Do you chop the end off or leave it like that?
You chop that off, and then you
What with?
with a pair of pliers. You stick it together.
Pliers.
Well, as you can tell, I haven't just tried to record over this video with my voice. I think it does.
And then
Just to clear it up.
I think there's a brick one.
No, so I think he has to do with scissors.
Can't you cut it? With the,
Blade, yeah, cool.
yeah. Or some scissors or something.
It's so flipping squishy.
Yeah.
No. They have scissors now.
Where down it?
Boink. Just do it a bit more.
As long as it doesn't come out, that's fine.
I think they're my scissors.
Can't you do that all over me toe and give myself some more tread?
Not that likes my
I'm
scissors.
joking. Do you want me to hold that bit or?
Just do it, do it. Ow! Nice shot of these.
get back
in the car there.